Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a friend request not showing here on Snapchat. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Now, once done, go ahead over to the top left and tap on your profile or your story. Okay. Just tap on it. Now in here, go ahead over to the top right and tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the account actions section. Right here, as you can see, we have the option to clear the cache. Just tap on it. Now it says here, all of your cache will be cleared. Don't worry about it. Just hit on continue. Wait for it to load. It says here, successfully cleared cache. You can go ahead and close the app and then open up Play Store or App Store. Once done, go ahead and look for Snapchat. All right. Once you have it located, if there are available updates, go ahead and update it. And once done, reopen it once again. And your problem should be fixed now. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.